Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into the hidden mechanics of the automotive industry. We're looking at the invisible yet absolutely crucial forces that are literally building the brains of the cars we drive every day.
Think about the last time you sat in a brand new car. You look down at that complex, glowing digital dashboard, and you'd naturally assume that the brand whose logo is slapped on the steering wheel actually manufactured it. But honestly, that is almost never the case.
The real architects behind that screen are what we call Tier-1 Auto Ancillary Suppliers. So what exactly is that? Basically, a Tier-1 supplier is a company trusted enough to work one-on-one directly with massive vehicle brands or OEMs. There are absolutely no middlemen involved here.
Now, it's really important to understand that there is a stark contrast between just supplying standard replacement parts and having a true Tier 1 partnership. We aren't talking about selling generic windshield wipers to a local repair shop. A Tier 1 relationship requires deep design-in involvement. This means the supplier's components are engineered right alongside the vehicle brand's own development process, often years before the car ever hits the road.
And here's the kicker. Because these suppliers are engineering the vehicle hand-in-hand with the automakers, the relationship gets incredibly sticky. Once a supplier is baked into a car's fundamental architecture, they are extremely hard to replace. It creates this massive structural barrier to entry for any competitors trying to muscle in on their territory.
Moving into Section 1, the auto electronics boom.
This transition to digital is an absolute financial goldmine for these suppliers. Look, for decades, they were making those old-school analog clusters, the physical needles moving like a clock, which brought in maybe 800 to 1,200 rupees per vehicle. But upgrading to full-color digital touchscreens and connected telematics, that pushes the revenue to anywhere between 2,500 and 5,000 rupees. That is literally a 2 to 4 times revenue jump per car just from a tech upgrade.
And the tech is only getting more complex. Today's vehicles are basically massive computers on wheels. They need intricate battery management systems for EVs, connected telematics that talk to the cloud, over-the-air software updates, and fully integrated e-cockpits. Automakers simply can't just buy these complex software-heavy parts off a shelf. They completely rely on their Tier 1 partners to build the digital brains and eyes of the entire dashboard.
Next up, Section 2, a real-world example.
Take the Indian company Pryco. They are a textbook example of a Tier 1 supplier. Thanks to their deeply integrated partnerships, they command a staggering 65% share of the entire two-wheeler instrument cluster market in India. Seriously, let that sink in for a second. More than 6 out of 10 two-wheelers on the road are using their digital dashboard. That is massive.
And that kind of scale unlocks an unbelievable market position. By maintaining these direct, sticky, decades-long relationships across almost every vehicle category you can think of, from passenger cars to commercial trucks and even off-road tractors, Pryco has cemented itself as the world's second-largest instrument cluster manufacturer by volume. It just goes to show the immense power of being the trusted, irreplaceable partner directly at the factory line.
So, as cars continue to evolve away from traditional mechanical engines and become these giant rolling computers, the value is rapidly shifting from the hardware to the software and the screens. It really makes you wonder, in the future of the automotive industry, who holds the real power? Is it the famous brand logo sitting on the hood? Or is it the Tier 1 supplier quietly engineering the entire digital experience right behind the screen? Definitely something to keep in mind the next time you get behind the wheel.